In the pantheon of nature's most efficient killers, two creatures stand apart: the shark, lord of the oceans, and the crocodile, master of rivers and swamps. These two predators have evolved independently over hundreds of millions of years, becoming perfectly adapted to their respective environments. While one hunts in the depths of the ocean, the other waits patiently along riverbanks, ready to strike. Despite living in vastly different realms, these two creatures share similarities in their roles as apex predators. While they typically inhabit different ecosystems, certain regions of the world, such as estuaries and mangroves, provide a rare setting where the realms of sharks and crocodiles overlap. Such habitats blur the line between saltwater and freshwater, creating an intriguing dynamic between these top-tier predators. To truly understand sharks and crocodiles, one must first look back in time, hundreds of millions of years back, when the Earth was dominated by creatures far different from those we see today. Both sharks and crocodiles are ancient species, having survived through mass extinctions that wiped out the dinosaurs, ice ages that reshaped the Earth, and countless environmental changes that caused other species to evolve or disappear. Sharks are older than trees. They predate even the most ancient forests that began to cover the Earth. Their lineage dates back more than 400 million years, making them older than dinosaurs by about 200 million years. Sharks belong to the class Chondrichthyes, which includes all cartilaginous fish. Over time, they have developed specialized body structures, sensory systems, and behaviors that make them the dominant predators of the sea. Crocodiles, on the other hand, emerged during the Mesozoic era, around 200 million years ago. They are part of the order Crocodilia, which also includes alligators, caimans, and gharials. Unlike the vast majority of dinosaurs, which perished during the mass extinction event at the end of the Cretaceous period, crocodiles survived. Their ability to adapt to changing climates, environments, and food sources allowed them to outlive many other prehistoric creatures. Both sharks and crocodiles have retained many of their ancient features, making them living fossils, creatures that provide a glimpse into Earth's distant past. Though their evolutionary paths diverged long ago, they both evolved into apex predators, filling similar ecological niches but in vastly different habitats. Sharks inhabit almost every ocean on Earth, from the shallow waters along coastlines to the deepest trenches of the abyssal sea. They are a diverse group, with over 500 known species, ranging from the tiny dwarf lantern shark, which is only about 8 inches long, to the massive whale shark, the largest fish in the world, which can grow to more than 40 feet in length. Despite the diversity in size, shape, and habitat, all sharks share certain characteristics that make them efficient hunters. A shark's body is perfectly designed for speed and stealth. Its torpedo-shaped form allows it to glide effortlessly through the water, while its fins provide stability and propulsion. Unlike bony fish, which have a swim bladder to control buoyancy, sharks rely on their large livers filled with oil to stay afloat. This adaptation helps them conserve energy while swimming long distances in search of prey. Perhaps the most impressive aspect of shark biology is their sensory systems. Sharks have a keen sense of smell, able to detect tiny amounts of blood in the water from miles away. They also possess an extraordinary sense called electroreception, which allows them to detect the electrical fields generated by the movements of other animals. This ability is particularly useful when hunting prey that may be hidden in the sand or swimming in murky water. Another critical adaptation is their teeth. Unlike humans and most other animals, a shark's teeth are not permanently set in their jaws. Instead, sharks have multiple rows of teeth that are constantly being replaced throughout their lives. Some species can lose and replace thousands of teeth over a lifetime. This ensures that their primary tool for capturing and consuming prey is always sharp and ready for action. Crocodiles are equally well adapted to their environments, but their hunting grounds are the rivers, lakes, and swamps of tropical and subtropical regions. These massive reptiles can be found in Africa, Asia, Australia, and the Americas. While there are fewer species of crocodiles than sharks, their diversity is still notable. with some species like the saltwater crocodile reaching lengths of over 20 feet and weighing up to a ton. A crocodile's body is built for power and ambush. Unlike sharks, which rely on speed and endurance, crocodiles are designed to wait patiently for hours or even days, conserving energy until the perfect moment to strike. Their muscular bodies allow them to lunge out of the water with incredible force, capturing prey with their powerful jaws. Crocodiles possess the strongest bite force of any living animal, capable of crushing bone with ease. Their teeth, unlike those of sharks, are conical and designed for gripping rather than tearing. Once they have clamped down on their prey, it is almost impossible to escape. In addition to their powerful jaws, crocodiles use a unique hunting technique called the death roll, where they spin their bodies violently to tear apart prey or disorient larger animals. Despite their fearsome reputations, crocodiles are also highly adapted for survival in their environments. Their tough, scaly skin acts as armor, protecting them from both predators and harsh environmental conditions. They can remain submerged underwater for long periods, using special valves in their nostrils and throats to keep water out while breathing through the surface. Additionally, crocodiles have an extraordinary ability to go for months without eating,